What's up? Welcome back to another video. I'm LubestheDude, and today we're going to be cleaning my car. You might be asking, well Louie, why are you cleaning your car? Let me tell you. Basically, I've just been watching a lot of Detail Geek on YouTube, and I hate the way my car looks right now. It's totally dirty, so I guess today's the day that I finally go and clean it. But more importantly, there's this girl I really like, and I want to take her out on a date. But I'm worried if my car's not clean, that she'll think that my life is a total mess, and that she'll reject me. So that's the overarching reason why I want to get this done, is to hopefully have a girl find me attractive. Anyways, let's get to it. First, I started by getting all the visible trash out that a vacuum couldn't suck up. Then I went ahead and removed both seats and the floor mats so I could have access to the carpet underneath when I started to vacuum. Then I cleaned out my trunk, that way again I could vacuum it. Yo, check it out, I just found my will to live. Then after the seats were out, I went ahead and picked up all the trash off the floor that a vacuum couldn't suck up. And after I'd cleared the floor and everything off, it was finally time to go ahead and vacuum. Then after I finished vacuuming, I went around all the plastic trim with Clorox wipes just to make them black, clean, and shiny once again, so that way they looked brand new. Then after I finished and was left with 4 of these dirty rags, I went ahead and put the seats and floor mats back in.
Back and forth, and she's like, this is, no, I said, this is so fun, and she said, yeah, it's like a game. I was like, do you want to make it a game? And she was like, yeah.
Then I moved on to the exterior, and I just started by wiping the car with suds and water, and then I would go ahead and rinse it off. So I finished washing the exterior. I think it looks okay. I definitely missed some stuff. Like if you look really hard, there's definitely some spots that need to be buffed out more. I just did it with the Rev Auto Care Quick Detail. If you want to get some, link in the description, and you can use code LUBES for 15% off. I like it a lot, and hopefully she won't think my life's a mess. So this is gonna be the end of this video, and if you want to see more, click subscribe. Go ahead and like the video if you want. Any parting words?
So I may have been kind of rejected.